Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hot short hairstyle ideas. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie haircut for the first one. She looks amazing. And then we have this beautiful bob. It does feature bangs going in the front. Gorgeous. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we see a bob makeover for the next one. Oh, so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous inverted bob style. And then we see the very popular mini bob haircut. Between this hairstyle and the longer pixie and the Bixie cut, we are seeing so many different variations of this particular look. And it is a great option if you want a style that is in between the bob and a pixie cut. Next up, we have this gorgeous classic bob. Wow! This bob featuring platinum and hot pink is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful color combination. Then we have an undercut bob style. Followed by another long to short hair transformation. Beautiful classic bob haircut. Longer hair in the front, shorter in the back. Then we have another pixie hair transformation. Beautiful classic style pixie cut. Gorgeous choppy layers at the top for some height and volume. Beautiful. And then we have another pixie cut. Beautiful classic blonde pixie. And then we see that very popular shaven hair trend. Not a look that all women can pull off, but she looks absolutely gorgeous. Then we see a hair color transformation. Absolutely gorgeous pixie, followed by this beautiful bob haircut. And if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.